What fits in this simple and classy from DailyCarry Arianna Micro Shoulder Bag, a video request by Peter Piper 5300. Hi, my name is AON and this is my bag love story. In today's episode, I'd like to share with you a video request. Thank you to my friend Peter Piper 5300 for requesting this video. He wanted me to show what fits in this bag, some updates, and some mud shots. This is a very tiny bag, but a very simple and classy one, and I'm very happy to share with you what fits in it. So let's start. Currently, I have placed an alcohol dispenser that slightly matches the color on the outside. And to show you that a card holder can fit, I have here a Fino card holder. This is a genuine leather card holder that I have placed on the outside for easy access. So on the inside, I have here my phone case. I have here a pen. I have my Lucas Papaw ointment. And my favorite chapstick that I have removed the sticker. It already peeled itself. And then I have here my perfume. And I have here, I have a new lippy. This is from Dear Self Beauty. It is called Lane. And it is in the shade Red Coral. It smells like orange. I really like it. And the color is not very red, but it brings out the color in my face. So I like it, like some red orange shade. I'll show you first in case you're interested to get this tint from them, like a reddish orange, and it suits my complexion. And I also have here my Yuna. This is a key holder that houses 3 keys, and it's perfect to use on smaller bags, especially the micro ones. So I'll link it also below in case you're interested to buy. I still have a few things. I have a Sanicare mini wipes. And then I have bought my scissors. See? So nice. So cute. For emergencies. And then I have here the pouch that I always bring on my smaller bags. Some of my essentials, mini essentials. In this very cute mini pouch. And the last thing inside my bag is a Coach L-Zip wallet. And I have here some of my cards. This is a very nice size, especially for smaller bags, and it does come with card slots on the back area, but I currently didn't place my cards on the back, just inside of this mini wallet, and I really love this one in the signature canvas of Coach. I think I can still place many things, but at this point I only have those things inside my bag. And one of the biggest things that I enjoyed is, even though my phone is a bigger phone, it fits perfectly in this very small bag. I really loved it. All of the stitchings are still in very nice shape. And I think that even the smell of the bag is still fresh on me. Even though it's faux leather, it smells nice. I really liked it. I highly recommend this bag, especially to those who are petite and those who are always wanting to bring smaller bags, because your basic essentials can fit in this very small bag. it will not really hurt your shoulders. It's really lightweight. I really love this idea, this design. And to show you some mud shots, so you can use this. You can hold it like a top handle, and you can also put it at the crook of your arm. And also, you can, of course, use it as a shoulder bag. This color, particular color, can fit in any color of your outfit. It is very versatile. It can fit in any color, so that's the reason why I got this color. It's so, and also the dirt will not really show right away in this color. I really love this bag. I'm so happy and very excited to use it for years to come. I'll be happy to show additional updates in months to come. And I would like to thank again my friend Peter Piper 5300 for requesting this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching what fits inside and also the mud shots, and I'm very happy to share that this bag is really a well-made faux leather bag. So if you love beautiful yet affordable bags that are simple and classy, glamorous pink and girly, and fun kawaii finds, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.